So there are 26 letters, 44 sounds, and total vowel sounds are 20 and 24 consonant sounds. Leave all these, leave all these vowel sounds. Now what is left? In the yellow color, you can see these are consonant sounds. Count how many consonant sounds are there. How many consonant sounds are there? Who is gonna count?
एक तो
Welcome, teacher May.
24, 24.
Great. Or you can do one thing. You can use maths here. You can use maths here. How? There are total 44 sounds minus, you know already vowel sounds. There are 20 vowel sounds. So now 24 left. That is consonant sounds. Right? Speaking. Okay. So kind
Ye-
of whispering something. Somebody is whispering something. Oh, what?
Yes,
Thank you, Teacher May, for joining here. Thank you, Teacher May. Thank you, Bluebird, for being here. Please share the live stream. Okay. Now, I'm just moving forward. One more thing. How many vowels are there in English alphabets? Tell me, how many vowels are there in English alphabets?
20.
44.
No, I'm asking vowels, not sounds. If I'm including
20,
sounds,
20.
then 44. If I'm asking letters or the alphabet, then 26. There are
26
total
and
total 26
walls.
letters. Okay, and five vowels, right? In English alphabets, right? And that are
Vicky,
A, E,
Vicky,
yes.
Vicky, if you don't mind, please mute myself, and I will give my answer in comment box.
Okay, sure. I have turned off your microphone. Okay, just give me a moment. Okay, I have turned it off. All right. Welcome, Shwati. Thank you for joining. So, is it clear? Is it clear? Now, let me ask you a very simple question. Everybody knows that there are five vowel sounds. Okay. I would be consolidating here one more. Now, there is one more. A special vowel. What is a special vowel? Who is going to tell me about this? What is a special vowel? Oh my God, this is quite big. I don't know. I don't know. Then who knows it? I think God knows. God knows it. Okay. The
You
special vowel
know.
that is going to be considered as letter Y. Okay, letter Y is a special vowel. Sixth one. Why? Because sometimes it works as a vowel as well. For instance, I have written the word play. So here Y is a consonant. But if I have written fly, so here it is producing the sound like a vowel. I, fly, fly. It is working as a vowel. So that's the reason it is going to be considered as a special vowel sound. A special vowel. I hope it you understood. Okay? Is it clear? Okay. Nodding head. Great. Okay, can we move forward now? Can we move forward if you understood? If somebody is having doubt related to this, they can pose their questions. That would be better. Aditya, do you have any question? Whatever the thing that I have explained here. Don't you have tongue? Do you have tongue? Simple question.
Yes, I do not have question right now, sir.
So you can say yes. Okay,
From
thank you,
my side,
Muskan.
just
Thank you
one
so
thing.
much.
From my
Sorry.
side, my camera is from my side, my camera is not visible. I don't know how
But you're visible properly. I can see you properly. Everything is visible perfectly. Okay, so I'm gonna eradicate all these things. If somebody wants to take a screenshot, they can. Feel free to take a screenshot. Okay, all right. Now give me a moment. And those who are new in the listening section, please share the live stream. Please share the live stream. Humble request to everybody, please share the live stream. Yeah, I hope you can do that. It is free of cost. You do not need to pay any HT coin in order to. And Bluebird, could you please share the live stream in the group? Could you please share the live stream in the group if you can do? Those who are in the group, they can share. Okay. Now I am just moving forward. So firstly, we are understanding this chart. Okay. All right. Just give me a minute.
Hello talk sir, from my side there is some issue. Actually, I'm not able to share the live stream also.
Okay, then it's fine. No problem.
And I'm not able to turn off the camera and mic also from my side.
Do you know what is it? Do you know what is it? Who is gonna tell me what is this symbol? Firstly, we will be learning this symbolic language that is used in order to describe pronunciation or these phonemes. Okay, in order to describe these phonemes, they use their specific language or the coding language. So, what we call it? Who is gonna tell? What we call this? Slashes, slash. What is the symbol? Write down your answer in the chat section. What is the symbol?